Subscribe and press bell icon to never miss a video from Shweta's Art Gallery.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Art Gallery. If you're seeing me for the first time, then please do consider to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you stay notified whenever I post new videos. In this video, we will see how to do stone painting, and I am going to show you how to make 4 different designs in stone painting. You want to know how I made this one, this and this? Then stay tuned. If you like the video, then please do give this video a big thumbs up and share with your family and friends.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.